Hello everyone, today I show you my next decor. This decor with stand. I'm not happy this design because it's not perfect here. You can see like this. My focus, sorry. Yeah. This was first line, and after it's separated I cut it, so another side's perfect, but first line was not good. So it's a small decor with stand. It's a good and minimalistic design. Actually, I like minimalistic design and designers, so for me it's perfect. I can share with my friend, and it's two people who hang big heart like love. I think it's good present for example, for Valentine's Day, for sharing loves, celebrate loves, maybe celebrate celebrate marriage or long years together. So it's small decor, it's easy and beautiful. I think it's enough. Thank you for watching. See you next video. Bye bye.